Hi, my friends at KERA. This is an unscripted demo where I'm just going to be talking so you can see how it would possibly work. Remember that I don't have a mic, so this is me talking directly into my laptop's mic. Objectives: explore how much physical activity we incorporate into our lives. Develop ideas for physical activity in our everyday lives. Identify places where we can go outside of our homes for physical activity. Introduce the family activity chart. You'll notice that the Growing Healthy Families website has two sections, one for families and one for facilitators. Quickly, just click on the Facilitators tab, and it will take you to the next sections of the website where the training materials are available. As you can see, there's an overview of each workshop, a complete guide to leading each workshop, and even PowerPoint slides for you to use. There are 8 modules total, and each module has all that you need to be able to present the content well with your families. Here's an example of if we use music and voiceover at the same time. I just grabbed some royalty-free music from the internet. Additionally, it can be trimmed, the music can. I can stop it and start it at a certain point. It can fade in and fade out. So there's a lot of functionality with the music in PowerPoint.